Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be showing you how I finish and sand these ceilings here. This is a garage ceiling, a new ceiling that's been installed in this existing garage. So you can see that carpet's down and the walls are all painted, but the old ceiling's been pulled out and replaced with a new one. It's roughly about 6 meters by 6 meters. I finished it to a level 4 finish, and now I'm just going to use my Fez tool drywall sander to sand it up, ready for painting. And we're just going to show you how easy it is to sand drywall ceilings in the current climate with all these high-tech machines that suck all the dust into the vacuum cleaners. And really it's quite easy and quite simple compared to the old days where we used to use a pole sander and get covered in dust. But now everything's electric, everything's dust free, and the motor in the unit does all the work for you. So all you've got to do is hold it up, and there's even settings on the machine now which you can adjust the suction so it takes the weight out of the sander. So what it's doing is it's sucking onto the ceiling, and it's just releasing some of that weight from your hands and arms and body. So it really is quite efficient these days, and I'm just going to show you how fast it is here. This bit here is sped up obviously, but really easy. If you're keen to know what settings I use, I've done a full video on the complete setup of the Fez tool drywall sander. It'll be linked above or down in the description below, so check that one out if you're wanting to learn how to use a sander, or you've hired one and you want to do a bit of home renovation. So I'll just walk you through all the settings and how to set it up and how to replace the dust bags, etc. So check that one out. We're nearly through here. This one had 4 big joints. These sheets are all 6 meter sheets. Here in New Zealand that's the biggest we go to. And normally our garage is around 6 meters by 6 meters, so we can get 5 sheets across. And you can see there's 4 big joints in that one and a couple over there where the doorways are. You can see the edges there. I'm just about to put up a coving after I finish sanding, so that's what's happening there. But that's about it. Look, we've done that ceiling in no time. Piece of cake, dust free. We can move on to the next step. There it is. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.